3 reasons why it is hard to leave a narcissist. A relationship with a narcissist is complicated. At first, everything may seem so cool, but gradually things begin to dwindle. And soon enough, it becomes a different story, from one of love to something else. Those who are in a relationship with a narcissist suffer abuse of varying degrees, physically, mentally, emotionally. One would expect any sane person to pack up and find love elsewhere. But the truth is, a relationship with a narc is somewhat complicated, and in most cases, leaving is difficult.
As usual, if you enjoy watching our video, please help by clicking that like button below. And if you're new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss any interesting updates in the future.
Indeed, narcs form a strong bond with their partners, and their hold is so strong that they use it to control. It is typical for narcs to form strong bonds, mostly at the beginning of their relationships. They show so much love that their partners can't help but be overwhelmed. Soon enough, you can't do with them. They become everything to you, and you are so attached. Suddenly, like a dream, everything stops. They no longer focus on you, but themselves. And since they know you have fallen for them, they use this to control and even abuse you. Now the attention and love they give become dependent on a lot. And even if you feel bad and hurt, you find it difficult to walk away. They may even threaten you if you want to go. To please them, you have no choice but to act with their whims and caprices. The fact is, no matter what you do to please them, it is never enough. It continues until they no longer find you valuable. Then, they dump you. Those who haven't been in this situation may find it crazy and wonder why those abused do not just pack up and leave. Let's see some reasons why leaving a narcissistic relationship is a bit difficult. Number 1, fear of being alone. The narcissist can destroy their partner's self-worth such that they no longer have value for themselves, and they believe that nobody else can value them. They also feel unloved and incomplete without the narcissist. So even when they are abused continuously, they remain in the relationship. They fear being alone and that they won't be able to find love again. Number 2, they are confused. Though narcs abuse their partners, they occasionally show some moments of love, and it creates an emotional roller coaster that makes their victims even more attached to them. This is called trauma bonding or Stockholm Syndrome. Most victims believe that since their abuser hit bombs with love occasionally, they still have good in them, so they do all it takes to please the narcissistic partner and suffer more abuse. And number 3, holding on the hope for change. Some narcissistic partners find it hard to check out of the relationship because they have been so brainwashed and manipulated, such that they do not hold on the fault. Instead, have the hope and believe things would get better. They see no reason why people convince them to leave when they constantly face abuse.
So what's your opinion about this? I hope you enjoyed watching this cool video, and if you have something on your mind, don't hesitate to share your thoughts and experience in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and click the bell to receive constant notifications. Thanks for watching.